Hey, Gian. I think you and I should make a deal. Just in case either of us can actually make it out of this hellhole somehow. We'll look after each other's loved ones, okay?
Don't say that, come on.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе.
Sure, do you know
В 6 утра
my sister very well?
I know her.
все твои обещания.
We're good friends.
Does that mean you know where she is right now?